Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings and click on Bluetooth. Then tap on the switcher and wait for available devices to show up. Then tap on the one that you want to connect to and wait. Now select pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you wish to forget this connection, you can always click on the device, choose Unpair, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!